Morning. Hi, babe. Yeah. What? Yeah, we're just getting in the wind. So yeah, this is everything that this Hurricane Ian did to my property. That fence is gone too. Corner piece. That corner piece. This one's blown down. The palm tree. All of these. And all the way down. Back. Here's another one of these. This is the back. Completely gone. And the sad part about it is we just recently, not even 4 months ago, spent $17,000 for this fence. I should have just got chain link all the way around because chain link stood strong. But it is what it is. Alright. Signing out.